Hey everybody,
Hello,
it's Ryno,
Craig here.
and we are at Port Orleans French Quarter. I keep wanting to call it Riverside, but I'm an idiot, so. And we've heard word there's a Beignet burger here somewhere.
Yes, it's taking the rage all over the internet as of lately, so it's your supposedly crappy Disney hamburger in every way, shape, and form, but then topped. Well, and bottomed, I guess.
Squished. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Sandwiched, perhaps even in beignets.
Some may call it a bun.
Yeah.
They may be so bold.
Apparently, I'm not one of those people, though, so yeah, it's been posted everywhere. Everyone's been over to get it, and you know what we do.
We wait till the last. We want to make sure we are never the first.
Yeah, so we can't be the first. We want to make sure that the hype has had time to play out, and then we'll come over.
Yeah.
Throw our mitts in the ring.
Yeah. I'm curious to see how this holds up against the cinnamon roll burger that we had at Pop Century.
Yeah.
That was at Pop, right? No, movies?
It was
All-Star
at one
movies.
of those.
Yeah.
All-Star movies. Yeah. The secret menu one. So we're going to head inside Sassagoula Floatworks Food Factory and I'm going to eat some beignet burgers.
Les bon temps roulés.
We have our food and it is just as massive as you thought it was going to be. It looks massively good, but massively disgusting. So here it is in its glory. The Beignet Cheeseburger. This thing will run you $14.49. It's a beignet bun, in quotes with the bun, with American cheese, bacon jam, shredded lettuce, pickled onions, that is, a barbecue bayou sauce, and house-made pickles on it. And then you get two sides. It can be either French fries, chips, or coleslaw. We went double fatty with it. I mean, come on, though.
Just fry the whole plate.
Coleslaw. It's just a fake type of healthy. It's all in mayonnaise. Delicious mayonnaise, that is. So we got all the pictures and stuff out of the way. So I get the honors of carving this turkey apart. Now, this might be interesting to a lot of people out there, but for me, I don't want to say this is like routine, but I am one of those people, if I ever see like the special bun on a menu, and I mean like cinnamon roll, like that secret menu one we did, or if I'm out at a restaurant and they have like a donut bun or a cronut bun even, there's places that do that, I'll try it at least once. So I feel like this isn't too out of the realm for things I've had before, but let's see if it's good as those other ones.
I'm curious about the sauce that's on it, I guess, more than anything. You got a pickle crawl down your sleeve.
I did pickled down. That's a big loss. I'm not really getting a hint of the sauce on the first bite.
Really? Because it's like on the plate and everything. I thought it was going to be like loaded with sauce.
That's not the bayou sauce, so that's the onion jam.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, that's adding a nice sweetness to it. Definitely getting the savory side with the actual meat patty. Not dry at all. It's cooked well done. It's your standard Disney burger, but it's not burnt. So A+, a nice crunch with the little shreds of lettuce, the pickles. And then you're also getting a little extra saltiness with the cheese. Honestly, they went a little easy with the powdered sugar on the bun. I mean, I'm sure it's all over me anyways.
Well, it looks like it's part of the Jingle Cruise logo.
Yeah. Just a little bit. But yeah, no, it's actually not. I'm interested to get your thoughts on it because I think that there's not enough beignet flavor in it. It's not enough sweet donut-y type taste to it. But I'll let you dig into yours and then maybe it will be different.
The bun definitely feels like something that if you don't eat pretty quickly too, it's going to get a little squishy. As in the bottom of this is getting a little squishy, but yeah, I see what you're saying. The burger being kind of that standard Disney burger in there. There's definitely the pickled onions is what I'm getting the most of. I don't know if it's just because in the middle maybe there's a little bit more of a mound, but it is definitely, I'm getting a lot of that sweet flavor from that. And I'm not really I was expecting this to be like you said, like a little more donut-y, but I don't. I'm getting it like a little bit. I don't think it's just, it needs like maybe the powdered sugar, but also I think the beignet maybe should be like a little bit thicker. I don't dislike it. Oh, I see. There's the bacon jam. Kind of slid all off the burger here, but yeah, I don't know. This is giving me Big Mac vibes, to be honest with you. It's got that little bit of, I don't know if it's because it's got that hint of the sweetness, like in the secret sauce or something, but I don't know. I have to eat it a little bit more to really give you my thoughts on it, I think.
Since you and I are kind of in the same mindset with this thing, I thought I'd start deconstructing it and see if I can get to where the flavors are coming in.
Means playing with the spoon.
Yeah, that means I'm playing with my food. But the first time here is the beignets, pretty much tasteless. It's pretty much tasteless. Like, I don't know if it's because I already ate part of this, but I'm not really getting any flavor from it.
No? None of that fried dough?
It's just kind of there. No, not really a fried dough. If you like the sweet pickles are very sweet.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I was thinking I was getting that from the onion.
Well, let's go with the onion. Maybe that'll also be.
Just one piece.
No, the onions have a sweetness to them too.
Okay. Yeah. It's like tangy almost.
Yeah, it's like the vinegar taste hits you right up front, but then it does turn into like almost a balsamic tanginess to it as well too. So it's both there. I'm going to use a fork to try to scoop up some jam. Something just went flying out. I'm not sure what it was. Might have been food. Oh no, is that jam on the... Where the hell is the jam at?
Well, there's a little bit on the plate right there. You took the fork from.
Oh, okay, I'll steal from there too. The onion bacon jam is my jam.
Put that in a jar and sell it.
I believe they do sell it. I just don't buy it because how often are you going to make something like this at home where you're like, you know what would bring it all together? The onion bacon jam.
Those are my jamming hours.
And then you put it all together. And a lot of those things that were there just kind of get lost.
It's a lot of variables that add up to nothing, really.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
All right. I'm feeling like the beignet burger was a beignet burger. That was the worst.
See, that's being a little too harsh with it. Luckily, we were able to practice our thoughts about it because we just got done sharing our thoughts on it. But I would say my overall impression was good, not great.
Yeah.
It was...
I don't feel like the beignet adds anything to the burger.
No.
It didn't make it any special. And then we decided that I think the onions being pickled, and so you had the pickled onions, and you have actual pickles that were like the sweet pickles in there. I think it made the bacon jam disappear in there.
Yeah.
And so like that's really the flavor you're getting, not any sweetness or anything like that.
But I did get a little bit of the bacon jam then when you didn't get as much of the pickled onion in there. There was just too many competing flavors overall, and the one thing that I wanted to overpower all of it was the taste of a nice hot fresh beignet topped with powdered sugar, and I feel like that's the one thing that we didn't get out of all of those different flavor combinations in there. So it's not a failure. I'd say that. I mean, you know,
it's not. It's okay. Yeah, it's not bad. It's just one of those. If you're going out of your way and you're like, oh, this is going to be something different. It kind of just. It reminded me. Honestly, it reminded me of a Big Mac with like a little bit of a stickier bun.
Yeah. Besides all of the other blogs and stuff that come out and try, you know, it's been picked up by major websites. Is Disney's doing this grand new beignet burger, and to me, it's just not enough to say go out of your way to do it.
Yeah. If
you're staying here, absolutely, I would highly recommend it. It's not that expensive. You get all those sides with it, so it's a lot of bang for your buck.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it could be the next step towards more creative things. The same thing we said about the the secret menu. Like that
Yeah.
was one step in order to get to the next interesting food item, and I feel the same way about this. So I'm gonna support it. I mean, I probably won't have another one again.
Yeah.
I do want to live.
I wouldn't tell anybody
but-
not to get it, but it's like what you said. Don't go out of your way, and also manage your expectations. You know, like
Yeah.
it's cool, but it's maybe not the coolest thing. I would rank the cinnamon roll one above this. I would.
Yeah,
think.
me
So
too.
I think that one's worth kind of going out of the way, maybe just because they have a whole experience associated with it.
Yeah.
But,
So it's good, just not going to blow your mind.
yeah. Yeah, so if there are other interesting food items like this that you've heard about and you want to see us go review, please leave comments in the comment section below. If you like the video, like it, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell and you'll stay up to date on all the content that we have here. I don't know what that was. Yeah, I guess that'll do it for this vlog. We'll see you next time. Bye.